Oh no. I think Todd might be missing. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I gotta go for undercover. Or I could steal all Todd's fame. Todd always hates it when I sit in this chair. Oh, don't tell Todd. I'm getting kind of bored. Let's think. This is so boring. Maybe I could take Todd's place and be me too, so it'd be like a all the Pappy playing Todd and Pappy show. Okay, here we go. Hi, I'm Pappy. And today we're gonna wait. Todd, what are we gonna do today? This is really boring. I'm gonna call Todd right now. Yeah, Todd, you get over here right now. I'm filming, and I just can't do it without you, okay? You're on vacation? You told me this 8 times? Well, excuse me for never taking what you say seriously. Bye. This is so unfair. He doesn't even like me anymore. Guess I better go because some friends just don't appreciate other friends doing kind of good things for them. Oh no! I just realized I'm not wearing my high heels!